If you're tired of boring white plain teapots ruining your kitchen aesthetic, look at this. This is Vancasso's semi-28-ounce porcelain teapot. It's vibrant, bohemian, golden bloom pattern. It's just delightful. It makes it look like a high-end boutique find rather than an everyday kitchen tool. It's a beautiful gift, and look how well packaged it comes. This is Vancasso. It has a great line of dishes. I have some other pieces in the set, as you see in my place setting, and it is just beautifully packed in here. It will arrive safely as a gift if you send it through the mail. It is 28 ounces, and it's perfect for 2 to 3 standard cups. Now, it's made of a high-fired premium porcelain. This is the Golden Bloom. Isn't it beautiful? It also comes in a spring, a twilight bloom, and a regal bloom. It's fitted with the cutest top. It's just darling and very practical. Look how pretty it is, and on the bottom it has a nice rim to help it set well. It'd be very stable even with hot liquids in it. This is a great brand. I really like this brand. It was provided for me for my honest opinion. And look how else I can use it in my house. I like it with this full setting. If you like Vancasso dishes, it's a perfect complement. Look how beautiful it looks in my brunch, breakfast, lunch, cereal, fruit, dessert display. It's perfect for an after-dinner cup of tea, perfect for morning coffee. If you want to set the table in just a beautiful way, it's such a pretty accent to these beautiful dinner line pieces. It has a drip-free spout and comfortable handling, and this premium ceramic is designed for clean and effortless serving. The careful crafted spout helps keep water flow from instantly pouring out, reducing dripping and preventing messy tea stains. It rinses clean very easily, and it has such a shiny look. You'll love the way it looks. It's also dishwasher safe. You won't have a need to hand wash it. I recommend top rack for the teapot and the cover. It's also microwavable safe. Now, this was provided for me from my honest opinion, and I love it. Along with my other collection of Vancasso dishes, I highly recommend it. Now, here I have my favorite spot to drink my tea when I'm working, and I think you will find it's just the right size to bring anywhere in your home. It's also a lovely gift. I hope you like this video. Please like and follow it to see more from this great brand and others like these.